You get a LinkedIn verification badge after successfully verifying your ID on LinkedIn. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to do that in less than 5 minutes. The only document you need for this verification is your Nigerian passport, and it must be NFC enabled. Go to your profile, click on Add Verification Badge, select Government ID, verify with persona. Select your country, Nigeria, accept the terms and conditions, then click on Continue. Yes, continue. To add a photo of the front page of your passport, you can snap it directly or upload from your gallery if you already have it there. I already have mine, so I just added it here, and it's going to scan it for a few seconds. After that, it will display the information for you to confirm if it's correct. Accept and continue. Click on Start Scanning. It's time to actually do the scanning now. So you need to put your passport flat on the ground and start moving your phone across it slowly. I'm going to demonstrate that using my passport and my power bank. So this is what you want to scan. You have to bring your phone very low. Let it be very close to the passport and keep moving it slowly. It might show you some error messages if you're not placing it right, so you have to continue doing it until it will capture it. Please note that your phone must also be NFC enabled, else it won't be able to capture it. So at this point, it had already started reading, and I was so happy because I've waited since forever. Finally, the scan was complete, and now it's time to take a physical photo. So you just follow the instruction on the screen. After capturing, it will process the selfie and then ask for permission to share your data with LinkedIn. Click on Continue, and that is it. Verification done and dusted. Super easy, a bit stressful though. By the time you get back to LinkedIn, you'll see that the verification badge has already been added to your profile. Yay! Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, just drop it in the comments.